from the box pa lang, makita nyo na it's really legit. Hey everyone, this is WhenInManila Sky, and we are still on a Marvel high, I think. So this is the second time that we will be unboxing something that is inspired by the Avengers Endgame, and this time we'll be unboxing this pair of shoes from Adidas. So this is their Marvel x Adidas series. They call it Heroes Among Us. So the Adidas Heroes Among Us collection has Iron Man, Black Panther, Captain America, Nick Fury, and then they'll have Captain Marvel. And in the Philippines, only 2 designs were released in stores for Adidas. They have Next Level, which is the Captain America, and they have Dame 5 for Black Panther. Unfortunately, the Black Panther edition of Dame 5 was sold out in one day, so we only got the Next Level Captain America shoes, and we're actually looking for the other so we can show you how it all looks like. So this is the box of the Next Level Captain America shoes. I think these are basketball shoes, so obviously this is not my size. I just want to show you guys how it looks like. From the box pa lang, makita nyo na it's really legit. So if you don't want to use it, it's really cool to have this in your collection. So you will see different Marvel characters on the box. There. Then, so it says Marvel Hero Elite Series on the side. So this is the Next Level basketball shoes, and it retails for 9,000 pesos. Okay, so buksan natin siya. So this is the Captain America shoes. Ta-da! Okay, so meron siyang tag. Tago natin yung tag muna. There. And the other one. There you go. So parang, ano siya, medyo boot type. Doesn't have shoelaces, so you just put it on. And of course, it has Adidas signature 3-stripe design, colors of Captain America, blue, red, white, and then sa bottom, if you put it together, there is the Captain America logo. Then the Adidas logo's here at the back for both. And then there is another Captain America logo here in front. So the top part, there's a Captain America logo. Okay, so it's a sole which has the logo as well. Yung itsura ng sole niya parang medyo transparent, and then the logo is inside, and then the material is really soft here. I think it's perfect for basketball because ito nga yung basketball shoes nila. And when you look inside, there is a logo ng Adidas and then Marvel, and then it says copyright Marvel. So if you're a big fan of Captain America or the Avengers in general, this is a really cute addition to your collection, or you can use it if you play sports. And according to the website, the collection includes the powers of different sports superstars from the NBA and the WNBA. So when you go to the store, you'll see James Harden as Iron Man, and all the different players sporting their Marvel collection. So if you want the Iron Man shoes, it's actually the Harden Volume 3, and then Black Panther is the Dame 5, which is also available here in the Philippines. And then this is Captain America Next Level. There's a T-Mac 1, Nick Fury, and Captain Marvel Pro Vision, Thor Marquee Boost. For the official stores of Adidas, there's only Next Level, Captain America, and Dame 5 Black Panther, which we didn't get to see because it was sold out on the first day. But I actually saw one from Titan, so if you guys are looking for one, you should also check that out. So this is the Captain America sneakers. So this has been another episode of Unboxing Manila with me, When in Manila Sky, and I'll see you guys soon.